The creation of the Luang Pu Thuat amulets at Wat Chang Hai in the Buddhist year 2505, 1962, marks another significant chapter in the history of producing the renowned and revered Luang Pu Thuat sacred object. These amulets have gained immense popularity in the amulet community. The details are as follows. His Serene Highness Prince Chalampo Tikampon, the middle royal son, was the main patron behind the creation of the 2505-1962 batch of Luang Pu Thuat metal amulets. This production was modeled after the highly popular 2497-1954 batch of Luang Pu Thuat herbal powder amulets, but the material was changed to metal. The Luang Pu Thuat amulets with the iron pressing back design are the hallmark of the 2505 batch, which features three main types: large, medium, and small. For the repeated stamped type after casting, some amulets did not come out beautifully or were incomplete, so new molds were made and the incomplete amulets were then restamped, resulting in what is known as the repeated stamp type, which is commonly found in the medium-sized molds of Luang Pu Thuat amulets with the book back design. All of these stamped amulets were produced in Bangkok. The Luang Pu Thuat herbal powder amulets of the wheel batch were created using leftover herbal powder material from the production of the first batch of Luang Pu Thuat herbal powder amulets in 1954. Ajahn Rim documented the creation process and the distribution of this batch of amulets in his will. The fourth batch of coins and the first batch of herbal powder amulets from Wat Muang Yala were also included in the consecration ceremony for the 1962 batch of Luang Pu Thuat metal amulets. These metal amulets are made from an alloy primarily consisting of brass and copper as the main component. Some pieces may have a reddish or yellowish hue, varying from one to another, and a small number are made from mekatat alloy. His Royal Highness Prince Chalampo Tikampon also contributed various precious metals, such as silver ingots and gold, added into the crucible during casting. The casting of these metal Buddha images was carried out outside the temple, by taking the remnants and sacred materials from the temple to be cast in Bangkok. Some sources state that it was done at Wat Kok Mu or Wat Sitaram in Bangkok before being sent back to be consecrated by Ajahn Tim at Wat Chang Hai. Ajahn Tim, Phra Khru Wisai Sophon of Wat Chang Hai, served as the principal officiant in the consecration of all the sacred objects on this occasion. Ajahn Sawat Tekphong was responsible for casting the Luang Pu Thuat metal Buddha images with the iron base. The consecration ceremony was held on a grand scale for that era, with celebrations continuing for 3 days, the 17th, 18th, and 19th May Buddhist era 2505, 1962. On May 19th, Buddhist era 2505, 1962. After the consecration ceremony concluded in the late morning, devotees gathered in such large numbers to receive the Buddha images that the distribution had to be organized through the window. This ceremony was held in conjunction with the celebration of the large Luang Pu Thuat statue at the temple. Later on, this event was designated as the annual festival of Wat Chang Hai for the 2505-1962 batch of Luang Pu Thuat amulets. In particular, the Luk Tiarut, iron-shaped mold has become especially popular and is highly sought after today due to its reputed Buddhist powers for protection, safety, and invulnerability, and loving-kindness. The creation of the 2505-1962 batch of Luang Pu Thuat amulets is therefore another addition that reflects the deep faith and dedication in crafting sacred amulets, with patronage from the royal family and a grand ceremony making the Buddha's virtues clearly evident and has retained its value to this day. The sacred power of Luang Pu Thuat is renowned in many aspects as follows. Protection from harm. This is considered the most outstanding blessing of Luang Pu Thuat. It is believed that those who venerate him will be spared from various dangers, whether accidents, disasters, or threats from enemies, miraculously surviving serious incidents, metta mahaniom loving kindness and popularity. This helps devotees to be loved and favored by those around them, including elders, superiors, colleagues, and the general public, making work and business run smoothly, with people always willing to help and support. Invulnerability and Mahauttama, great protection. It is believed that Luang Pu Thuat can protect devotees from all kinds of weapons, whether knives, guns, or sharp objects, helping them avoid harm from attacks. Fortune and prosperity is believed to bring good luck and auspiciousness in business, making enterprises flourish and attracting a steady stream of customers. Achieve financial success and advance in your career. He is believed to help promote professional growth, leading to promotions and higher positions. Achieve success in your chosen field. In summary, Luang Pu Thuat amulets are renowned for their Buddhist virtues, especially in protecting one's life and wealth as the main focus, giving worshippers peace of mind and safety in all situations. Additionally, it also enhances kindness, good fortune, and prosperity in life as well.